This call is now being recorded.
Good morning, dear student. Today we will study
Morning,
our
sir.
new chapter. So today we will study our new chapter. I hope you will enjoy and you will learn something from that. It will be very interesting. So let's start. Okay, so there is some coronavirus health and safety tips. And what are these tips? Shriyanshi, what are these tips?
So wash your hands, use sanitizer, make the distance of 6 feet, use your own supplies, and wear mask when you go out.
Yes, correct. These are the some coronavirus health and safety tips. You should all follow these as there is uh, spread chances of spread of coronavirus. So now look at your screen and you will see there clouds are moving. And have you ever think why they are moving, how they are formed? Similarly, it's raining in this. Just watch this and question yourself. Think about this. And this there is the sun is shining here in this picture, and you can see here the sun is going downwards, and sun is also comes upward. Sun rises, sun sets every day. Why it happens? Metal sinks in the water, but in this picture you can see wood float on the water, and plants coming from the seeds they grow and grow and grow. You can see here all this. Have you ever think this? Why this is happening? Why this is happening? So can anyone? There is a boy who asking questions like this. Why this? Why though? Do you know? Do you think? Do you know anyone who question these types of these types of the question? Shianshi, do you know? Shianshi, do you know?
Yes, sir.
Shianshi, do you know?
Sir, which type of questions?
Why this happening?
No, sir.
Okay, why this is happening? Do you know any boy? Do you know any boy who does so?
सर फिर से
No,
एक बार
sir. I
क्वेश्चन
don't
It
बोलिए
know
ना.
is
any boy who always asks why. I don't know.
okay. You
सर
don't
फिर
know.
से क्वेश्चन
No,
बताइए
sir.
ना.
Okay. I think there is a poem in your there is a poem in your book. The poem's name is Why. So as earlier I have told you, you know this, you know that why what he is asking. Just let us start the topic. Shriyanshi,
Yes, sir.
now start.
Why? I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by?
Hmm. Yes.
He wants to know why who should swim and let and marble sand. Why sun should cool and wind should blow and why we drink and eat.
Okay, very good. Very good.
He wants
Kavyarupa.
to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky.
No? Ayush.
Yes, sir. He wants to know what makes the clouds. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky.
Ayush, switch on your
Why
video.
the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die?
Okay, very good. And next, Vedahi.
Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why.
Very good. Let's do it again. And you all should switch on your videos, okay? Let's do again.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I know
So, Shreya,
a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by? He wants to know why woods should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink.
very good.
He
Vedahi.
wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die? Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why.
Okay, very good. Now we will start from beginning. So we will start with Shriyanshi, then Preeti, then Pavitra, then Kavya Rupa, then Ayush, then Vedahi, with your pictures. Okay, Shriyanshi.
Yes, sir. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by?
Very good.
He
Now,
wants to know why who should swim while lead and marble sink.
very good.
Why sun should shine and wind should blow? Why we eat and drink?
He wants to know what makes the cloud and why they cross the sky.
Very good. Now, who is next? Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Why sings
Switch
the
on
sun
your-
behind the Why
Okay.
sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die?
Okay, you should switch on your video. Now, Vedahi.
Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why.
Very good. So this is the poem Why. Okay. So Shriyanshu, can you read first two paragraph, followed by Vedahi?
I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by? He wants to know why wood should swim and lead and marble sink. Why sun should shine and wind should blow and why we eat and drink.
Yes, very good. Vedahi?
He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die? Some of these
Yes,
whys
there
are
is a
not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why.
very good. So there is a poem. The poem is Why, and in this picture you can see there are lot of things which are happening, and you should be, or one of you or many of you should think about why these are happening. So in this poem, there is a little boy who always asking why. So the poem says, I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by? He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and the wind should blow, and the why we eat and drink. He wants to know that what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these why are not too hard to answer if you will try. Another are one ever yet has found the reason why. So in this poem, there is a little boy who always trying, who is very curious, who is very curious about the things happening around him. He wants to know why this is happening. He wants to know why would swim in the water. He wants to know why lead and marbles don't swim in the water. If wood can swim in the water, so marble and lead they should also swim, but they sink into the water. They don't swim in the water. So he also want to know why sunshine, why wind should blow, why wind is blowing, why sun is shining, and why we eat and drink, why we eat and why we drink. Like there are many plants are there. They don't use to drink and eat. They you make their own food, but we get food from the plant. But then we used to eat and drink the things given by the plant and trees. So there are many why in his question. He in his mind he want to ask very many questions, and some of the questions are very easy to answer it, but there are some why which are still which we there has no reason to answer that why, and we are still searching for the reason behind that why, because there are so many things we don't know. So he wants to that, like boy wants to know who makes the cloud, who makes the cloud, and these can be answered. And why they crosses the sky, why they crosses the sky, why cloud crosses the sky, why sun sings the hill sing behind the hills, and why the flowers die. So these question can be answered, but there are some more questions which are very difficult to answer, and there is no reason we have still find some we have to still find some reason behind those why. Can anyone tell me one question, one why which has still to answer, which haven't we haven't find the answer behind that why? We don't know the reason the things happening. Can anyone know any question, any why? Can anyone tell me any why whose reason is still we don't find the reason behind that? We don't have the reason behind that. Can anyone any question? No anyone?
Yes, sir. Why the
Yes.
sun? Why the sunrise? When
Why the
our
sun
Earth
rises?
move, the sun move.
Okay, you are telling me
Yes, sir.
when our sun
Why the
moves due
sun
to the
rises?
movement of the sun. Yes, due to the movement of sun we the sun rises and
Yes.
sun sets. But I want to know a question which haven't we have which has no answer. You cannot explain that why
Sir,
this is
why,
happening. Can anyone?
why the wind blow?
Can anyone? Why wind blow? Wind blow. There is an answer for the wind blowing, but there should be one more question which has
Sir,
no reason.
sir, why stars are so shiny?
The stars are so shiny. Some people have answered this question. The stars are so shiny due to their nuclear fusion reaction, and they have their
Sir,
own energy. So that is why
why
they are so
is the
shiny.
sun behind the hills?
Why? Sun. Staying behind the hills. Okay.
Why
I,
Ram
they, I
was
think I
very
think I think some flowers die. Sometimes flowers die, or human
Sir,
beings also
why did
die.
not
So there is no reason
appear
why
in the
people
night?
take birth. There is no reason why uh, people take birth and why they die. So they are still to find some answer. There are some answer is still to find. There are some reason which have no. There are some question which have no answers till now. So now we will discuss some new words. Okay. So we just go through. There are a lot of new words, and I think you have marked those new words. So I'm going to ask those new words to you. So let's start new words. First of all, Snehanshu. Where is Snehanshu? Have you marked some new word?
Yes,
Snehanshu.
sir. Yes, sir.
Where is Snehanshu? Where is Snehanshu? Okay, you have got your new word. Okay, what is that?
Sir, curious.
Okay, curious. Curious is a new word. Curious. Okay, and can you tell me a sentence?
Sir, I am just a curious child.
Very good. Can you know another sentence? Can you tell me another sentence?
सर दूसरा
Yes, second.
सर दूसरा है सर दूसरा he
You have
is
written there.
such a curious boy.
He is a such curious boy. He is such a curious boy. Yes, curious boy. Okay. So curious means to desire to know something. Curious means desire to know something. Okay. Now next, the Deepsita. Deepsita,
Yes, sir.
where are you, Deepsita? Okay. Deepsita, tell me another word. I have given you another word to you. Deepsita,
Lead.
yes. What is that word? Lead.
Lead.
Okay, lead. Yes, lead. And can you make sentence from that?
Yes. Lead sinks in water.
Lead sinks in water. Very good. Lead sinks in water. Very good. Devyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Devyanshi Pradhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Devyanshi, your new word is
Marble. Marble comes from
marble.
Rajasthan. Marble's
Yes.
native place are Rajasthan.
Okay. Now, in
Thank you,
Rajasthan
sir.
marbles, there are a lot of quantity found in the Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, there are. I have visited Rajasthan, and in a mine, in a workshop there was different kinds of the marble pieces were there. So Rajasthan is well known for the marbles, and the Taj Mahal is also made up of marble. Marble stone. It is a stone, kind of a stone, which is used in your home also. Taj Mahal is also made up of the marbles. Okay, now Pulkit.
Sing. The boat sinks into the sea.
Okay, can again.
Sing. The boat sinks into the sea.
Very good. Okay, very good. Jigyasa,
Yes, sir. Reason.
reason.
He had no reason to worry.
Yes, no reason to worry. Okay, very good, Jigyasa. Okay, Jigyasa, once more. Tell the word once more.
Reason.
Yes, and sentence.
And sentence is he had no reason to worry.
Very good. Ayushman.
Sir,
Okay, on your video and tell next new word. Ayushman? Ayushman is not responding. Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have given you one word. Okay,
Always.
your next,
Always.
always,
I
always.
always buy vegetables instead of free frozen ones.
Okay, can you show this once more, Rohit? Little, just move
Always.
backward. Yes,
Always. I always buy vegetable instead of frozen ones.
frozen ones. Green vegetables instead of frozen ones. Very good. Hinjal?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sign. I have
shine.
sign my food or a sentence. The sun is shining. Thank you.
Okay, again, Hinjal. Repeat that one.
Sign. I have sign. Sign. I have to sign my food or a sentence. The sun is shining.
Very good. Ayushman, is there any problem, network problem? Okay, Ayushman is not saying anything. I think there is some network problem. So now just we will just continue our topic. Okay, we have discussed some new words and I am just showing you some new words also, which is on your screen and there is meaning of that. Okay, there is some meaning and some words we have. Okay, there are some words and the meaning of that one are also given. Curious. There's curious means wanting to know or learn something. If you are curious that you want to learn something, you want to know something. So there is a curious boy, and you have already read in this poem. So next word is led. Led is to go with someone. Lead, it is led or lead. Is this is something else? Led in your topic is led is uh, glass. Okay, there are lead shot. This is a uh, lead shots means the spherical balls like that, and lead is also non-metal like marble, and this is this is lead. Lead is lead. Lead means to go with or to make someone go in the right direction or small spheres of glass. When we say lead, that means to go with or to make someone to go the right direction. And when we say lead, lead means a small sphere of glasses. And next is marble, as already marble. Me, who told this? Divyanshi told the sentence. The children's games that one play by rolling marbles. Marbles is a game also, and marble is stone also. Now sink to move downward. Sink means to move downward in the water. Reason, something that shows it is right to do something. It is right to do something. It is here, not id. Behind, to back of something or somebody. So as you know, there are the clouds. It's raining in this is the sun is shining. So there are, you can find their action word also. You can hear the clouds are moving from one to moving. Moving is another action word. Raining is also an action word. Shining is an action word. And the sun is setting. Sun sets. Setting or set is also a action word. Sink, sinking is also a action word. Now this is flowing. This is floating. Boat is floating. So float is another action word. Growing. The seeds are growing. So grow is another action word. So you have found there are a lot of action words. These are action words too. And okay, now we will discuss. We have discussed the poem, we have discussed the new words, we have discussed the action words. So in this picture, you can say moving, raining, shining, set, sunset, sing, sinking, floating, growing. These all are action words. So we will discuss. Thinking is also an action word. If you think something, that means if you are thinking, that means
we are doing a work.
you are doing work. It may not, you may not do some physical work, but still you are thinking. That means you are doing something. Okay, so I think this poem is very interesting. If you read this poem and question the boy, as the boy is questioning to himself and to another person, and if you will ask and observe these type of the things around us, and you will start questioning, so make this will develop a scientific temper in you. Just see the things and think about them, why this is happening. So just there are some rhyming words, so we will discuss some rhyming word. Okay, Shriyanshu, Snehanshu.
Yes, sir.
What are the rhyming word of why? Rhyming words
Sir,
of why?
sky, buy, fly, die.
Yes, sky, buy, fly, and die. Very good. Badri,
Thank you, sir.
Badri Narayan,
Yes,
sing. Rhyming word of sing.
Drink, bling, ink.
So just your video should be on. Okay, don't switch off your videos. Okay, another word is blow. Jigyasa Narayan,
Yes, sir.
rhyming word for blow.
The, the rhyming word of blow is flow and glow.
Yes, flow and glow. Very good. Arnav, Arnav, are you in the class?
Sir, can I tell?
Aman, yes, Aman. Rhyming word for cloud.
Sir, loud.
Loud. And any another word? Loud and found. Found, found is another word for the cloud. Rhyming word of the cloud. Okay. Next one is hills.
Sir, can I tell
Next
one
one.
more?
Yes. Yes, Riyanshi.
Sir,
Rhyming
sound.
word of hills.
Sir, allowed. Sir, allowed.
Loud.
Sir, can
Allowed.
I?
Yes.
Sound. Sir, sound.
Sound.
can I?
Yes, Preeti.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can
Sir,
I?
sound. Sir,
Sound.
sound. Sir, sound.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
hear.
Sound. Found. Cloud.
Sir,
Loud. Okay. These are. We can
Hindi.
tell.
Round.
Sir,
Sir, round.
Sir, round sound.
Sound and round. Sound and round are rhyming words. Cloud, loud, allowed. These are rhyming words. Okay. Now next is hills. Okay, fine.
Sir, I can say.
Sir, last one
Pavitra.
Sir, I can say.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I want to ask someone else. Just a minute. Mahima is asking,
Yes,
can I
sir.
say? Mahima, rhyming word of hills.
Mills and bills.
Mills and bills. Okay.
Sir,
So there
can
is
I
a okay, there is a paragraph. Krishna Pradhan, there is a paragraph. I will ask you some questions, okay? So just wait for your turn, Krishna. So Vaidehi, just read this paragraph and we will discuss some question on this based on this paragraph. Vaidehi, just read these paragraphs and everyone should listen carefully and read also. But don't on your microphone, okay? Vaidehi will on your Mehdi, you should on your microphone
Okay, sir.
and read.
Read the extracts given below and answer the following questions. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marbles sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink.
Okay, very good. Shriyanshi, can you read once more? Shriyanshi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He wants to know why wood should swim and why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and rain should blow, and why we eat and drink.
Very good. Very good. Pratyanshu. Okay, Pratyanshu is there. Pratyanshu. He wasn't in the class. Pratyanshu. Okay, Priyanshu or Pratyanshu. Pavitra.
Sir Divyanshi.
Pavitra
Yes,
Kumar.
sir.
What does the boy want to know about wood? What does the boy want to know about wood?
Sir, does the boy want to know about wood?
Yes. Have you read it? Read the
Sir,
paragraph.
the wood.
Hmm.
Sir, paragraph read करूँगा.
Yes, read the first line and you will get the answer.
He wants to know why wood should swim.
So what boy want to know about wood?
Wood should swim.
Why wood should swim? Okay, very good. Second question is, what does the boy want to know about lead and marbles? Preeti Mudra, what does the boy want to know about lead and marbles?
Why lead and marble sink?
Yes, why lead and marbles sink? Very good. Okay, very good. Divyanshi. Divyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Divyanshi, you can, question number 3, just complete this. The boy want to know why the shines. What shines?
Sir,
What
sun.
shines? Sun. And why the blues? And why the blues?
Sky.
Which thing? Which thing blows?
Sky.
Sky blows.
No,
Let's
sir.
go. Which thing blows?
Sir, winds blow.
Sir, I
Wind blows. Yes. Yes. Wind blows. Wind blows. Okay, very good.
So the
Krishna
answer is
Pradhan?
in the third line.
The answer is in the third line. If you read the paragraph carefully, you will get the answer. Krishna Pradhan?
Sir, last question I say.
Yes, sir.
Which word in the question number 4, which word in the extract means the same as have knowledge? Have knowledge means have knowledge.
Sir, बुद्धि होना.
Have knowledge means
No.
no. Very good. Very good. Have knowledge means no. Very good. And the last one.
हम जो नो
Yes.
बोलते हैं कुछ वो बच्चे ना बोल देते हैं हमसे गलती से.
This is no, not no. It is no.
Sir,
Meaning of
I last.
okay. Kavya Rupa. Kavya Rupa. Okay, Kavya Rupa. Which word in the extract is an antonym of float?
Sink.
Sink. Sing. Antonyms means opposite. So opposite of float is sing. Very good. So there is another extract and this will be your homework. I will give this in your homework. Okay. This will be your homework. Another extract. So same as we have done. Yes. Same. It is same as first paragraph. So this will be your homework. Okay. This is extract. This is a paragraph. And on this base of this paragraph, there are some questions. You have to answer this. And there is some another one I will discuss on these later. So you have to do one more thing, and the thing is you should search two questions, answers of two questions, answers of two reasons. First is, why do cats and dogs fight? First question is, why do cats and dogs fight? And
Sir,
why
we have to
people,
write the question in our classwork copy, then answer.
yes, you have to write the question. You have to just think about these things, what which question I am asking you.
सर लिखना है
I-
क्या वो वाला आप जो क्वेश्चन बोल रहे हैं?
Just listen carefully. I am asking you two questions. In next class, I will ask answer of
आपने
that.
क्या
You
बोला?
should just find the answer. I am asking some question to you. I am asking some question to you. You should just find the answer of that questions. In next class, I will ask you and you will tell me the answers. First question is, why do cats and dogs fight? So just think about that. Why do dogs and cats fight? And second question is, uh, second question is, why can't we touch the sun? Or okay, why can't we touch the sun? And why cats and dogs fight? These are two questions. In next class, I will ask the answers of these two. All of you should think about these two questions and you'll tell me the answer in next class. Okay? Okay, now thank you class. Thank you class.
Bye, sir. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.